Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the second class of Adobe Illustrator, in which I'll be teaching you some of the important toolbar options or tools. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you remember, I have taught you some of the interesting tools in the first class, in which I have taught you magic wand tool, direct selection tool and lasso tool. So in this class we are going to learn some of the interesting options too. Make sure to bring any sort of shape, like maybe bringing sort of shape or drawing sort of shape. So I have got this shape. If you remember, in the last class I have taught you some of the styles, so let's try to give a slight touch to that. Maybe apply this, go for textures. We have got more of this textures there. Just make sure to wait for that, because it is sort of a heavy option that must lag your system. Well, let's try to delete that and bring sort of a different sort of shape, like going for polygon. Draw that and make sure to just apply any sort of simple color inside that, so that the rest of the options will be applied in that properly. So I have applied sort of black color as stroke. Make sure to go for this option and try to bring sort of boundary like that. Make sure to move that just to right side and increase the size of the stroke there. Make sure to click on it, and we've got more of the styles there, like I have applied that, and secondly apply that. Make sure to click on this brush libraries menu, so we have got more of the brushes there, because these all are related with brushes, so you can play with that. See, that works. Just play with that. This will be giving the result according to your need. Just try to play with that. See, that works. And if you want to go one step back, make sure to go for that. See, well, let me do one thing. We've got the line tool there. Just draw a sort of a line, in which I'll be teaching you in the next tutorials, and make sure to click on it. So no need to draw that manually, because this is already present there. See, that works. And if you want to go for this, you can also apply that. Just need to type something inside that and you're good to go for any sort of certificate. So all of the things are working so much well. Well, make sure to delete that. Go for ellipse tool. Make sure to select the selection tool, and this time go for uniform. Make sure to click on it, increase the size of that. See, that works. And that works on line segment tool so much properly. Make sure to click on that, increase the size of that, and this time go for that. You can go for this and for this and for that. That depends upon your wish. So make sure to just apply the normal one or the simple one. Stroke option there, make sure to click on it, and we've got more of the options like round cape, so you must be observing this place. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Let me delete that, zoom it in, make sure to select that and go for stroke, and we've got cape, round cape. See, that is changing and you must be observing that. And we've got the corners there, which must work on any sort of shape like rectangular. I have taken that. Make sure to click on it. You must be observing the corner of this. See, that works. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Just try to observe this place. See, the corner is being changed, and you can furthermore work on it. Let me apply any sort of color inside that. You must be observing this place. Let me increase the size of that back. Go for stroke. Well, if you click on it, align stroke to inside. The stroke will be coming inside that of the shape. And if you click on this, align stroke to outside, and align stroke to center. Center, inside, outside. Well, there is an option which is known as dashed line. Click on it. Make sure to apply just, or maybe type 6 and repeat that process. Or maybe 12. Let me decrease the size of that and go for outside. And this time the things are going to be working. Make sure to click on arrow heads. See, that works. And that works where? So let's try to, well, this works in this corner. Increase the size of that, go for arrow, and see, that works like that. Furthermore, you can apply that. However, that looks so awkward, so just try to play with that in limits. Remove the dash, and you can also increase the size of the stroke inside that of the stroke option. We've got more of the colors there, like going for this color and for this color, and we've got more of the options like art history. You can apply that. You can apply color like art history, so the colors will be coming to you according to what you're going to select. See, metal, and let's try to bring some more. Food, you can bring even food color like fruit, ice cream, vegetables. Maybe apply this. See, that works magnificently and properly. Let me move the interface in the center of the LCD. So make sure to hold the space button on keyboard and move that there. Let me zoom it out a little bit. So let me decrease the size of that and make sure to remove the arrows that I have applied. None. Make sure to click on none, and over there on none. So these are related with swatch libraries menus, other libraries which you can take from your computer. So we have got open color themes panels, in which nothing special is present there. And we have got a show swatch kinds menu, swatch option, new color group, even you can create new color group, and new swatch, you can even create new swatch, and even you can delete that out. So that is what the things are working like. And we've got another option which must be related with color, fill color, in which we are having more of the colors. Most probably the options are same, like flowers. See, that works. So this is the option that is related with colors. And we've got more of the options like applying this style, or maybe applying that of the style. So that is what is related with options that are related with colors. So we have got more of the options inside option bar, which without these of the options you are not going to be able to use all of the Adobe Illustrator designs. So make sure to draw sort of another shape, like going for star. Make sure to draw a star inside that, and make sure to change the color of that. And this time what I have to teach you is that, so I have got the star there, so what I have to do is that, so I want to bring the star inside that of the shape, so I want to bring that in the center of that of the shape. So what I have to do is to hold the shift button, make sure to select star, hold the shift button and select another shape there. We've got align options there, like horizontal align left and horizontal align right, horizontal align center, vertical align top and center and bottom. And over there we have got, make sure to go for horizontal align center, click there, and this time vertical align center. So now we have got the star inside that of the shape. So that is now fixed. So we have got another option there, like shape, like rotate option. This is the option through which you can rotate your shape. And furthermore, we have got more of the options like this is something I think so I have just taught you. And if you click on it, link corner radius values, click on it, and this time if you increase transform option, in which more of the options are there like rotating the shape, and this time going for this option, which must be share option, which is also present there somewhere inside toolbar. This must be the size of that. See, that works. So that is all for today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.